today it's Friday, and today it's a learning Friday for you as Kunal Bothra is joining us live today for Buy Now, Sell Now Pathshala. So over to you, Kunal. What's the interesting topic that you've got for our viewers today?
Thank you so much, Srishti, for that. Good morning to you as well as to Cheryl. Now, today's topic is a bit of an offbeat topic, so we're not discussing any indicators or chart study or price patterns, but it's got to do with the trend on the index, which I think matters quite a lot given the kind of market scenarios we have been facing over the last 3-4 months as well as over the last couple of days. So the major observations which I wanted to point out from the Nifty trend perspective was a major falling trend line. So over the last 2 or 3 months, the markets have been going into a downward trend. So this is the major important resistance line. So as you can see that this was the high the markets had made in the month of start of December around this 18,888 mark. And this is the second zone of resistance where we managed to come back towards this trend line. And both of these are exactly parallel lines. So you can see that the markets have been flowing into this downward trend. Now, the two important patterns over here for a short term as well as from a medium term trader is to watch out for zones of supports and demand. So this forms the major zone of support. As you can see that this was the zone where the markets had hit just around that budget low, around the 17,300, 350 mark. We managed to bounce off quite well. We came back towards that 18,000 mark, corrected back again, and we entered the zone back again around the 17,300 zone just about 1 or 2 weeks back. And today back again, we are almost at the 17,300 mark. So this is a very strong support zone for the index. If there is any major reversal for the index, then this support has to be broken down, which means the markets have to confirm a break below 17,250 mark. On the upside, this is the first zone of resistance, which is 17,800 mark, as well as the second important zone of resistance. So as you can see, that 3 times that the Nifty tried to scale past this level, but it was met with a falling resistance over here. So net, the trend for the index is still into a downward trend. We are tapping into the third time the strong important support zone of 17,200. If we break below this level, I believe a very sharp correction could come by. But if we manage to hold on to the 17,200 mark, then we could probably get into a bounce process and maybe come back towards 17,800 on the Nifty.